everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back here to another video. I wasn't planning on putting a video together today, but Justin hit me up, my buddy Justin, with the 2021 Performance Pack GT that we've had here on the channel. He hit me up, he texted me, told me that he actually picked up a pair of Euro taillights for his car and he wants to install them. Since he couldn't win the giveaway, he's like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy a pair myself. So he bought a pair similar to mine, not 100% exact the same. He went with the smoked one. So I got the clear, Justin went with the smoked, and to be honest, with the color of his car, the smoked would look better on his color of a car than I think what these would look here on the Grabber Blue. I think these look great on the Grabber Blue. He went with, like I said, the smoked. So I think that'll look perfect on his car. So he's on his way over here. Obviously, taillights are super easy to install, but there is one kind of tricky part, and that is trying to wire up to get to the third brake light. It's just a small, tiny space. So I did a video on these, but I'm also gonna, obviously, he's on his way. We're gonna put together a quick little video of taking out his old taillights, slapping in his new taillights to kind of show the step-by-step process again, and compare of the smoked and what I have here, and to see what you guys might like better on your car. But first things first, if you guys like the content, do me a favor, drop a like on the video and subscribe if you haven't. Hopefully Justin will be pulling up here shortly. Bag it up. Perfect. Of course, I heard you long before I saw you. I was like, oh, he's coming. Hit record.
Hopefully.
How you doing, man?
Pretty good. Didn't even know it was going to rain today, and I left my car out in the driveway.
I was like, ew. It did drizzle a little bit today.
It's like for like 30 seconds.
Yeah, it was ridiculous. I mean, it bothers me. It bothers me.
Yeah.
All right, it's hot as fuck out, so cheers.
Cheers. So
we got the box here. It's the same style as I said, but he went with the smoked ones. Let me put my beer down and we're gonna unbox this shit. All right, get all this bullshit out of here. Ooh, yeah. These are gonna look a lot better on your car, I think, than what I got on mine. Well, factory, obviously.
See, I actually love the red, but
I mean,
I wanted something different.
those are gonna look sick.
I've never had
Those don't look good.
Euros. And whenever I see in your car,
Look at that. Let's quickly compare it, put it next to mine. So we're gonna just compare. It's obviously, you can see the difference. And I think with the color of your car, that's gonna go so much better than
and they're still clear, but they're not
no, it's
nowhere
gonna
near
look
as
good.
dark. Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, so this wiring is for the third brake light. It's simple, it's plug and play. Once we take apart his stuff in his trunk, I'll show y'all, but that just goes to one side, clips in, obviously that side, and this is what goes up to the third brake light.
That sub is light as shit. It's
in
like
the corner?
4 pounds.
Can we get back there? Yeah, we should. Unclip this. Just twist these off here on both sides. Put these somewhere so you can get it off. Jeez. Put them on so you don't lose them. Get that out of there. Oh, that works too. So in case anyone was wondering, it's 10 mil. So just 10 mil ratchet right there. You got here and here. And then isn't there one back here? I don't have the subwoofer. Yeah, so we might have to move that out of the way because mine doesn't have the subwoofer. I didn't realize that. So you want to get a pry tool just to pry that off from there, right there, just like a little pry tool for that. Okay, when you're swapping out your taillights, always make sure you swap out your little rain guard here from the factory ones. It just clips, use like a flathead or something. Unclip it and then transfer onto the new taillights because these obviously don't come with it. And then you want to just feed through the hole and get the grommets nice and snug. I gotta put the camera down, but you guys at the point. Just get that nice and snug, and then we will feed it through and button it up. All right, so if you do have the performance pack, you do have the sub, it's just one extra step. You need to like just move out of the way because mine's a premium. I didn't have the sub, so you just, that's a what, a 13?
Honestly, right? I got no idea.
13 or a half?
Oh, this is a half-inch.
So,
I thought you were talking about the size of the sub.
Sorry, no, that's a half inch.
Half-inch.
All right, so we did get the passenger side in. So, dude, that goes perfect with the color of the car. So you can see the smoke housing and the clear. I think that color combo in his just looks good. I like it.
Where are you at, you third?
1, 2, 3. And then I mentioned this in the last video I did. You can use the ratchet on those, but don't over tighten these, because if you over tighten these, just don't. Okay, so now this is the fun part. The wiring here for the third brake light. It's really not that hard, but this little guy, I gotta put the camera down, but I'm gonna just clip. It's all plug and play. So this guy, we're gonna go clip right, if I can get the wire, feed it through here. He has this extra bracket for the subwoofer. I can get my tiny ass hands in there. So that will just plug and play, god damn it, right into here. You see that? So that'll plug and play right in to that guy. Super easy. So this clips right in, like so. Just get it snug, like that. So he's doing the wire on that side. Just maybe get like some zip ties and like just run it. We'll zip tie all this up along here like so.
Just press?
Yep. You don't gotta press too hard, like, yeah, it's in.
Do they crimp?
Yep, no, it's good. You don't have to crimp. Yeah. And after we run that wire, we're gonna put the seat down, connect it, and then we'll zip tie it all and make it look all super clean. Okay. Full grown adults, and I'm on the smaller side of things. Can't fit in the back of the Mustang. So, how I did this last time, we're gonna unclip this, bring this down, and then we're gonna feed it obviously through here. Then it's gonna go underneath here. And the clip-on is right back here. Okay, so I'm still in the back of the car here, hot as hell, because it's, you know, Texas and it's hotter than shit. But 95. We're back. So I'm trying to make this look as clean as possible. You're just doing the rest of the zip ties right there. But you want to just get this as clean as possible and run it. I did mine under here, so I'm doing it the same way. And then we're gonna come up, sorry, I'm getting the camera, through here, and then we're gonna pull this plastic piece out, and we're gonna snug it underneath here, and then come out through here, and then pull that piece out right there. We took a shit, just because I'm just trying to like hide the wiring back there, and every time I try to tuck like a piece here, a piece down here, it falls out, vice versa, and it's fucking hot. So he's back there, he's taking care of that. You know, I came to this realization. I've never been in the back seat of a Mustang with another dude before, so a little weird, guy. A little weird. Okay, so we got the wire.
So we need to attach one right back there.
So we got to disconnect that guy, and has a zip ties in my mouth. So if we can get our hand in there and just unclip that right there. Okay, quick update. I fucked up. So I said unplug that one. It's not that one. I'm an idiot. It was this one. I did this once before. Why I didn't remember. So disregard that one. We're taking off this one. Much easier. Yep. Okay. We got it. And I'm still in the back seat of Justin's car. Little awkward. Yeah. We may have broken some plastic there, so we're just gonna pretend that never happened. Boom. All right, everything's all put back together. So, drop a comment. Let me know if you guys like the clear or the smoked. Honestly, it depends on the color of the car and what you have. So I think, like I said, those wouldn't look as clean as what he has because of the color, but it blends right in with the car. So, your thoughts?
I like them.
Yeah. Do it again? Yeah, see? Looks so sick. If you hit your brake, hit your brakes a little. Hit the brake and make sure. Yeah, it's on. Yep. So these would not illuminate red if that wasn't plugged in. Okay, so an indicator that your third brake light's plugged in is these illuminate red. So if these were not illuminating red, you obviously, you know, the third brake light isn't plugged in all the way. So if you install these and you don't have your actual red brake lights, then that's not connected properly. So another thing I wanted to bring you a point up since Justin's here, a little update on him and his car. We did a video a while back where his car was actually sitting in this exact same spot. I just dropped my phone, thank you. Where he said he wanted to do a bunch of these mods before he did, you know, like boost or anything like that. I'm not gonna buy a turbo yet or a supercharger or anything like that. Then, what was it, like 3 days ago, 4 days ago? Week? It wasn't that long ago.
Yeah, about 3 days ago.
So this didn't last long. He's got twins on the way already on his car. You went with the On 3.
They're new mid-mount.
Okay.
So I'll be the second person with it.
It's because it's a different style because they've had a mid-mount before.
No, not on the S550s. It's their first
not on the
mid-mount.
S550s. Okay.
They've had mid-mounts before.
Sure. Not for these cars.
The S550 they have a single and they have the twin top mount.
Okay.
The good thing about their mid-mount is they only come with oilless turbos, so top of the line, oilless.
Twin 67s?
Twin 67, 66s, and they're both ceramic ball bearing turbos.
So it's going to be awesome. So that didn't last long. So, I mean,
paper plates.
Justin here. I mean, he bought headers for the car before I posted the first video of his car. So, I mean, come on.
My wife hates me.
All right, guys, do me a favor. Let me know what you guys think. You guys like the clears? You like the smoked? Again, I like the clears on the blue or like a lighter color, or even a red. The smoked on a black car, or what color is that? What the hell is it called?
I don't know.
Anyway, gray gunmetal something-ish. Yeah. Anyway, on that note, if you guys haven't already, hit subscribe, drop a like, please drop comments, and on that note, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Say bye. Bye.
Peace.
All right, see ya. Bye.